Hello and welcome. I am Monica Noon. I'm a GIS manager at Conservation International, and today I'm going to show you quickly how to download some open source data and use it in QGIS. Now first I'm going to direct you to naturalearthdata.com/downloads. This is the free and open source vector and raster data available at different scales. Now I'm going to go with this large scale data. There's cultural data, physical data like coastlines and various things. There's also some raster data, so feel free to click around and explore which data is relevant to you in your project. I'm going to go first to cultural data. Now here you can download countries without boundary lakes at various administrative scales. So administrative 0, this admin 0 is the country boundaries for all countries on Earth. Admin 1 is, for example, the states, if you're in the United States, provinces and certain countries, and break down a little bit further and more detailed. And there's cities and roads and railroads. So go ahead and explore what's useful to you. I've downloaded this already, and I'm going to open QGIS. Now, your panel will look similar to this. If it does not, please go and open your Layers panel by right-clicking on any of the toolbars at the top or on the left side of your QGIS window. And the Manage Layers toolbar are the two important things here. To add a vector layer, there's this little V with a green plus sign on the side panel that I've put here. Then you can browse to where you've downloaded that natural. So I've downloaded natural Earth data. I have several data sets here. This admin 0, so the country boundaries, can be found here. Now to add a shapefile to QGIS, you want to actually select the .shape option and hit open. Once again, hit open, and now you can see in this lovely purple color, I have all the countries of the world. Now let's say I wanted to change the colors. I can right click and you have a series of options here. You can open the attribute table. This allows you to see what information is stored with that spatial data. You can zoom to the layer if you've somehow zoomed into different areas, and you can click properties. Now properties, you have a couple different options. This tells you a little bit of just general information. There's styles. You also have the labels option. Today I'm going to concentrate on the style. Now here I can collect different options of colors if I wanted to change the color. But what I want to do is I actually want to make that boundary transparent. And that is done by selecting No Brush. So now you can see here this is what your shapefile will appear. Even though this has a fill color, no brush means that there's just not going to be any color. You can also select these other options if you wanted to vary the appearance of that layer. When you're done, click OK, and now you can see that I just have a clear boundary. That's all for today. Thank you for joining.